Hello, happy Diwali everyone. Hope everybody is staying safe and keeping well. So here are two quick, easy to make Bengali recipes which I thought we'd share with you. Uh, One of them is called Ghugni and the other is Narkol Nadu. Both are hot favorites of our family and neighbors and wherever my family stayed. People love to come to our house to eat ghugni. Of course, this year it's not been possible, so we've made ghugni and given it to people's homes. We've actually made narkol naru and couriered it. So ghugni is chole, but the Eastern India, the Bengal variation of it is called ghugni. You take Bengal gram, soak in overnight. My mother never puts sodium bicarb or soda to make it softer. We try to avoid any added chemicals. So she used a 1 kg of Bengal gram simply because it was required for sharing it with others. And then she put the Bengal gram, a pinch of salt and bay leaf or tej patta and put it on boil. It takes a long time to boil simply because it's such a large quantity. If you have half this quantity or even less, of course, um, you know, you know how longer it will be. If you have a pressure cooker, great. If you don't, it's fine. It's not an issue. Now, remember we boil it to the softness we want the chole to be in. We don't like it very mushy or we don't like it very difficult to chew upon. So once it's been boiled, my mother takes some mustard oil in a kadai or a frying pan, and she puts ginger garlic paste, again made at home, tomato puree made at home, um, uh, cumin, jeera powder made at home. We take dry roast cumin and powder it in the mixer. A bit of garam masala powder and red chili powder, turmeric and salt to taste. We go low on oil and red chili powder, but it's up to you how oily you want it to be and how spicy you want it to be. And that's it. She just sort of, because it's already soft Bengal gram, because it's been cooked, she just tosses it in the pan, in the kadai, sorry, for some time, and it's ready to serve. You can, if you want, put some of those ready-made chaat masala or something on it, but that's up to you. What we do is we put a bit of khatta pani. Khatta pani is tamarind soaked overnight, and you take that water and you crush the tamarind pulp into your hands, and then you add a bit of lemon juice to it to make it even more sour. Khatta pani literally means sour water. And green chilies, chop it if you want. Add a bit of salt if you want. If you want, you can put rock salt or kala namak. And that's it. It's served. I don't have a video of ghugni being made, but I've put in images of the masala and the process so that you'll understand. The second is Narkol Nadu, which has been handed down from my grandmother to my mother and me. Narkol Nadu basically is nariyal laddu. Laddus are in India sweets which are like in the shape of small round balls, and this is made of coconut, hence nariyal. So you take some fresh coconut, break it into two, take out the coconut water. I love drinking it, so I drink that water. And then you scoop out the inside of the coconut. There is a special tool for it. No machine is required for it, but there is a special tool required to scoop it out. And sorry, my earbud fell off. And then once you've scooped it out, then which is slightly tedious process, you have to be very careful when scooping it out. That I've put in a video of how one does it. Then you put it on heat, put it into the kadai, We don't mix sugar. It can be made with sugar or gur. My mother used khejur gur, which is palm jaggery. Gur is jaggery, and you get this palm jaggery, the khejur gur, mostly in Bengal around December and January. It is to be found in a liquid form or a solid. The solid one is called patali. So she mixed both what we had in the freezer, sorry, not the freezer, the fridge, because the fresh ones aren't out yet. And it is also sold in the market as notun gur. But be very careful while buying it, because people tend to add a lot of sugar to it nowadays just to make it very sweet. So when you've added the jaggery into the frying pan, the kadhai, along with the coconut, then it takes 20 to 30 minutes to stir it, and you have to constantly stir it, so your arms and everything will start hurting, because if you don't constantly stir it, it might stick to the kadai and burn it. Once it's done, we have a particular color in which we like to eat our Narkol Nadu. It's there in the video. We take it out from the pan and keep a bowl of water close by, so that the mixture now needs to be kneaded into round balls. And it doesn't take much time to do that, but you have to do it immediately. You can't wait for the mixture to cool down. And that's it, your festival special, winter special, healthy, organic, vegetarian Ghugni and Narkol Nadu is ready. I hope you have a great time. Bye. Have fun. See you soon. উঠছে So that is the gur being poured in the coconut, which I've already shown you how it is ground, and this is the solid gur that was liquefied at home.
This is called patali.
This is called patali, and it is basically palm jaggery, which is found in Bengal during winters. So it is so my family sort of preserves it from the last winter, because the new gur that will come will be found only the good quality ones around December. So this the jaggery and ground coconut, freshly ground coconut, is mixed till the entire concoction changes color and all the gur has melted. It's quite a tedious process, but yes, so Ma is at it. It will take her time. How much time?
I think 20 minutes to half an hour.
20 minutes to half an hour to just do that?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll catch you after half an hour. So you can see that the mixture has changed color now. It has become brownish, and even I tried my hand at turning this. It needs to be continuously turned, It should not stick to the utensil, otherwise it will start burning. We are still not done. Now the melted jaggery and the coconut have been mixed thoroughly, and it is kept here.
Very hot.
As you can see, it's very hot, so you should never touch the utensil. Take out a portion of it and make it into small round bowls like this. Remember that this mixture is actually very hot. So what we usually do is keep a bit of water next to it.
Nadu.
And then make it into these small round balls.
Narkol Nadu.
It is called,
Nariyal Laddu.
and in Bangla it's called Narkol Nadu. So yes, this is how it is being made. And voila, this is how it looks. Ta-da! I hope you have a good time making it.